Hi, it's Chris from Cricut. I'm going to show you how to use Design Space to cut a vinyl sticker on your Cricut Joy. I'll be working in the Design Space mobile app on an iPhone 7. We'll start in the upper left-hand corner of the screen by tapping my initials to make sure we have the correct machine selection. Next, I'll tap Canvas at the top of the screen and then Image in the lower left-hand corner of the canvas. I'm going to search for my image at the top in the search bar. Scroll down, select my image, and insert it into the canvas. And here I want to talk about size. Cricut Joy can cut images up to 4.5 inches in width by 20 feet in length. So you can see if we pull this image larger in the lower right-hand corner of the screen and then click Make It, it's incompatible because it's too wide. We'll make it smaller than 4.5 inches and then tap Make It again. And now Design Space is reminding us that we're cutting smart material without a mat. We need material at least 6 inches in length, and we don't need the mirror functionality to be turned on. This is because we're cutting vinyl and not iron-on, which would require mirroring. I'm going to tap Continue in the bottom right-hand corner of the screen, and that will take us to the material selection. You can see that those materials that are not smart materials are grayed out, so we can't select them. But we're using Smart Vinyl Permanent, so I'll select that in the center of the screen. And now Cricut Joy is blinking to let me know it's time to load my vinyl into the machine. Cricut Joy measures every piece of material before it cuts. And now I'm going to tap Go to cut my image. Okay, now my vinyl sticker is done cutting. I'm going to tap Unload and hold on to the vinyl as it comes out of the machine. And now all you do is take the sticker off the adhesive backing and apply it on your project.